at an election campaign of the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, normally it would be the leader Arvind Kejriwal who's leading the campaign, but obviously he's in jail, and his wife Sunita Kejriwal is actually spearheading this particular campaign event. The Aam Aadmi Party claims that jailing Kejriwal is part of the government's attempt to kneecap the opposition and create an unequal playing field in the BJP's favour. The BJP denies this. They say the charges are real and this is part of their anti-corruption drive.
भाइयों बहनों, मोदी का एक ही संकल्प है, भ्रष्टाचार हटाओ.
The PM's claim would carry more weight if it wasn't for his party's double standards on corruption when it serves the BJP's political interests, like a liquor baron turned politician implicated in the same scam as Kejriwal and today is an NDA candidate from Andhra Pradesh.
Mandate 2024. Claim versus reality with Srinivasan Jain.
Welcome to our special series where we decode the BJP's claims of Mission 400. Is the BJP claiming an upper hand because of their track record of governance or because, as the opposition alleges, they've buried their political rivals in an avalanche of charges, even jailing some of them like Arvind Kejriwal? And is the BJP's use or the centre's use or misuse of investigating agencies now beginning to backfire on the ruling party?
Use your vote to counter Kejriwal's arrest. The battle cry for the beleaguered Aam Aadmi Party at this roadshow in East Delhi, the focus of all its messaging, even of its official campaign anthem. To drive home the message, Kejriwal's wife, the otherwise reclusive Sunita Kejriwal, positioned as a star campaigner.
सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. आपके मुख्यमंत्री मेरे पति अरविंद केजरीवाल को उन्होंने महीने भर से जबरदस्ती जेल में डाल दिया.
An emotive attempt to gain advantage from a moment of dire adversity.
So the game plan of BJP was to arrest our leaders in such a way that there is no leader left for campaigning for Aam Aadmi Party. And it is a dent not just for Aam Aadmi Party but for the opposition alliance, even for India Alliance. Otherwise, you would have seen Mr. Kejriwal campaigning in Maharashtra for Uddhav ji, in UP for Akhilesh ji. He would have been all around.
But it is a handicap not to have him around.
Yeah, obviously. He is our chief strategist. He is our chief campaigner. He is the brain behind every campaign.
AAP is not just missing a key campaigner. They say the constant targeting by the agencies has hit their funds.
So if you look around, go around Delhi, you will see that all the paid campaigns across Delhi, whether it is about billboards, whether it is bus stands, everywhere you will see only one party, that is BJP. All newspaper advertisements are only BJP. You won't see even single advertisement, paid advertisement.
Why is that? Why aren't you able to take
We don't have money. We don't have money. We don't have resources.
You don't have money, meaning this is because of the charges? Or no, what do you mean?
Generally, if you have put your all top leaders behind the jail, there is basically, people are afraid of giving money because now you take money in form of checks. And anybody who gives check to Aam Aadmi Party, he definitely comes in a scanner.
What they claim to lack in funds or a leader, AAP is hoping to make up through public sympathy.
आज भारत माँ की ये बेटी आपसे विनती करती है, इस देश को बचा लो, भारत माँ को बचा लो.
And yet, garnering sympathy for a jail leader, a risky play for a party born from an anti-corruption movement? You came up as an anti-corruption party. And you're now valorizing someone who's in jail for corruption.
We are valorizing someone who is the victim of the dictatorship of the current government. अगर आप आज की स्थिति देखिए तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने एक तरह से सारी पावर अपने हाथ में ले ली.
But the fact that the courts are saying
No, because that is
there's enough grounds to deny
is-
him bail,
that
it's
is
not a
because-
political arrest. To that
it
you
is
would say
because
what?
it is the peculiarity of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Because it was created to prevent acts of terrorism, it is a draconian act. Getting bail under that act is virtually impossible.
Nothing to
People of
say.
Delhi are very clear. They are very clear that if he was a corrupt man, he would have been putting money into his own pockets, not into the pockets of the people of Delhi.
Are the people clear? At least the party's base seems fired up.
जी बताइए, क्या आप आम आदमी के सपोर्ट में क्यों आए हैं?
उन्होंने हमारे लिए बहुत काम ही करे हैं, स्कूलें बनाए, सड़कें बनाए, गाँव में इतना फायदा करा, महिलाओं के लिए बसें फ्री करी, हर चीज के लिए सोचा उन्होंने, इसीलिए हम लोग आए हैं.
तो वो जेल में उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा?
उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जब वो जेल में रह के डर नहीं रहे तो हम लोग पीछे क्यों हटे? महिला शक्ति उनके साथ है, हम उनके साथ हैं.
तो ये जब इतना बताया इन्होंने शराब घोटाला किया, ये घोटाला किया,
ये तो एक इल्जाम है सर, ये तो इल्जाम है. जब कुछ नहीं मिलता है तो ठेके का घोटाला कर देता है. तो आज तक किसने दिया इतने सारे टैक्सों का जवाब जनता को? टैक्स तो हम लोग भरते हैं, हमारे आदमी ऑफिस में काम करते हैं, वो टैक्स भरते हैं. तो आज तक पब्लिक को मिली जवाब?
ये घोटाले का जो आरोप है उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता?
झूठ है, ये सब झूठ है.
केजरीवाल भ्रष्टाचार की वजह से जेल में है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा आपको? उससे और ज्यादा फर्क पड़ेगा. उससे और फर्क पड़ेगा. कैसे? जनता आक्रोशित हो गई है काम करने के लिए, जनता और ज्यादा काम कर रही है, इससे ज्यादा जनता बहुत काम कर रही है क्योंकि जेल में, क्योंकि उन्हें पता है उनका नेता जो है वो जेल जा चुका है. अगर उन्होंने काम नहीं किया तो वो ये तानाशाही सरकार उसको बाहर नहीं आने देगी.
Many of these voices, though, are die-hard AAP supporters. Has the Kejriwal sympathy factor won the party new support?
पिछली बार तो दिल्ली में पूरा भाजपा का लोकसभा चुनाव में स्वीप था. आप लोग असेंबली का चुनाव जीत गए, लोकसभा में भाजपा का 7-0 था. पिछली बार लोकसभा चुनाव में आपने किसको वोट दिया था? लास्ट टाइम आपने मोदी को दिया था.
मोदी को दिया था.
मोदी को दिया था. आपने भी मोदी को दिया था लोकसभा में.
लेकिन इस बार नहीं देंगे.
इस बार नहीं देंगे,
बिल्कुल नहीं देंगे.
अब आप मोदी को नहीं देंगे मौका.
देश को लूटने नहीं, बात मोदी की नहीं है. अब देश को लूटने नहीं देंगे.
आप भी पहले भाजपा को दिए थे.
भाजपा के पक्के कट्टर समर्थक थे.
आप भाजपा के कट्टर समर्थक थे. और इस बार नहीं,
इस बार केजरीवाल के समर्थक पक्के.
क्यों?
क्योंकि केजरीवाल को काम को देखते हुए और बीजेपी सरकार के जो कामों को देखते हुए.
तो लोकसभा में भी आप इस बार जो चुनाव होगा आपको ही केजरीवाल को ही देंगे?
हाँ जी, केजरीवाल को देंगे.
आप भी पहले भाजपा के समर्थक थे.
हाँ, मैं मुकेश अरोड़ा हूँ, कट्टर भाजपा का था, लेकिन इस बार केजरीवाल जी को सपोर्ट करूँ, केजरीवाल जी को ही वोट दूंगा.
ये भाई साहब जो बता रहे थे, ये पहले कट्टर भाजपा समर्थक थे. अब ये
सारे
ये
राठौर है, ये अरोड़ा है,
बीजेपी
ये
का
अग्रवाल है, ये सब समर्थक हैं भाजपा के.
मैं राठौर कौन है?
ये राठौर है, ये अरोड़ा है,
ये अरोड़ा जी है.
पंजाबी
ये है,
ये अग्रवाल जी है,
ये अग्रवाल जी है.
पंचाल है.
पंचाल है.
हम लोग
आप भी
हम लोग कट्टर बीजेपी के थे, लेकिन मुझे मेरी जब आँख खुली ना,
एक एक करके
जब मेरी आँख खुली कि तो धर्म की गुठी पिलाने में लगे हैं और हमसे मौलिक अधिकार छीनते जा रहे हैं, हमारी नौकरियां छीनते जा रहे हैं,
अच्छा।
हमारे रोजगार व्यापार खत्म करते जा रहे हैं और देश को पूंजीपतियों की गोद में बिठाते जा रहे हैं.
तो इस बार
अब हम लोगों ने, देश की जनता ने ये दृढ़ ले लिया कि अब नरेंद्र मोदी जी को जिस तरह से प्रचंड बहुमत के साथ देश में लाना जानते हैं, उसी तरह उखाड़ना भी जानते हैं.
Now it's worth remembering that when it comes to the Lok Sabha, Delhi is a bastion of the BJP. In the assembly elections, it's the Aam Aadmi Party. In the Lok Sabha, the BJP has been sweeping Delhi, winning all 7 seats. But now, because of this so-called sympathy factor, because of the fact that Kejriwal has been arrested, if BJP voters are crossing over to the Aam Aadmi Party, then it does raise the question of whether the Aam Aadmi Party, of turning this weakness of an arrested leader into a strength, is actually working on the ground.
Apologies for interrupting your viewing experience, but I'm just here to do my bit, and that's to thank you for making this video possible. Your subscription is the backbone of our work. A video like this costs a lot of money because it involves scripting, going to the location, shooting, camera, lights, and more. But friends, beyond all this, that basic freedom that we have to pursue important stories, that's because of you. So this Press Freedom Week, we have an offer for you. Take a joint subscription of the News Minute and News Laundry and get one subscription absolutely free. You can nominate a family member, friend, or anyone of your choice. But this is only for the first 500 people who log on. So go to thenewsminute.com, click on the link and take the joint subscription. Together, we can make journalism great again.
One of the reasons for public skepticism over corruption charges are mounting questions over the evidence against opposition leaders. The ED CBI case against Kejriwal, that he engineered bribes in exchange for granting liquor licenses in Delhi, relies heavily on conflicting statements from Andhra-based businessmen and politicians. Initially, these individuals, Sarath Chandra Reddy, a businessman, Magunta Reddy, an Andhra Pradesh-based politician and liquor baron, and his son Raghav, did not name the Delhi Chief Minister. But after a stint in jail, Sarath Reddy and Raghav spent about 5 months each in prison. They implicated Kejriwal.
Magunta Srinivaslu Reddy says, I met Arvind Kejriwal regarding a family charity of mine. When he was asked, was there any discussion on the liquor policy? He says, no, there was no discussion. He gives one more statement. He says, there was no discussion. Then in the meantime, his son Raghav Magunta Reddy, who has never met Arvind Kejriwal, gets arrested. He stays in jail for 6 months. After his son has been in jail for 6 months, MSR, Srinivaslu Reddy, breaks down and says, no, when I met Arvind Kejriwal, we discussed the liquor policy. The next day, his son gets bail.
And Raghav Reddy and Sarath Reddy walked out on bail on medical grounds, highly unusual in money laundering cases.
Bail for what? Having lower back pain. You please tell me, Srinivasan, in your organization, would you even get a day off for lower back pain?
తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ అంటేనే టోటల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ పార్టీ. ఇక్కడ కూటమికి 100% అజెండా ఉంది. ఆ అజెండా ఏంటంటే డబుల్ ఇంజిన్ గ్రోత్ అంటారు.
No signs of back pain as Raghav Reddy hits the road in Andhra Pradesh. In these posts on Magunta Reddy's Insta page, Reddy Jr. is seen campaigning for his father, the TDP candidate from the Ongole Lok Sabha seat, 3 hours east of Vijayawada. Magunta Reddy was with Jagan's YSRCP and crossed over to the TDP before the election, backing the campaign, the TDP's partner, the BJP. Tracking down Magunta Reddy is not easy. We finally meet him soon after a TDP campaign event in Ongole.
So we are here in Ongole with the TDP candidate, Mr. Magunta Srinivaslu Reddy. I hope I pronounced your name correctly.
Correct.
How is your campaign going?
It's
because
going on
last
well
time YSRCP, now TDP. How are you finding it?
See, now the mood of the people is change of government. The change of government only can happen under the leadership of Chandrababu Naidu.
Right.
And, blessed by Modi ji and Pawan Kalyan. So it is now NDA. NDA now group is now contesting.
But what about when the opposition says even you are facing your son in that Delhi liquor scam?
That's a different thing. Don't bring it here also.
No. I'm saying when
no
that
opposition
comes up,
has spoken. None of the people in Andhra Pradesh are unaware. That just ignore it. I have filed my papers also, nominations filed.
Yes.
And nothing in the affidavit. Just leave it that. You talk about only Ongole parliamentary constituency.
No, I'm saying this has become an issue outside.
It's not in Ongole. Ongole is
but in Ongole also people.
Magunta family is well known here in Ongole. This for service. This family is for service.
Okay.
Past 33 years, we have been doing service here. And this is my 9th parliament.
No, sir, I agree with you. But this liquor scam has become a big national issue. You are aware of it. The allegation is that this learning approval. No, I'm saying.
No, if you are coming only for this purpose.
No, not for that. I'm asking wider questions.
See, this is a political thing. Now it is going on also. Election time it's going on. 13th is Why do you bring all those things also? You are well-cultured man. You have come here. I respect you also.
So you're saying these are not issues.
No issue about it.
In the Andhra election.
No issue at all.
And
nobody is talking about it.
In fact, people in Ongole are talking about it. In our conversations, locals here say they've heard that the Reddy family's alleged involvement with the liquor scam is the reason why Jagan denied the Ongole seat to Magunta Reddy.
Jagan Mohan Reddy directly sold. Tell to Tom, in your son in the liquor scam. That all I cannot give the seat from your. You can stay. I can give our Rajya Sabha MLC told to Magunta. They cannot listen the CM Jagan Mohan Reddy words. They can go to the TDP. In Magunta Srinivas Reddy tell him, my son is in consistent MP seat on Ongole. And that reason I will change the party. In
Oh,
other.
so you're saying that basically Jagan said to Magunta that I can't give you the seat because of the liquor scam.
Liquor scam.
And that's why Magunta went to TDP.
It's going to TDP.
Okay. But how do you know this? Who has told you this?
Who is called this? That directly say some in the Magunta families only.
They're
telling-
openly saying that.
Openly saying that. I can Raghav Reddy is can approver.
Raghav Reddy has turned approver.
Approver in all media, sir. Will come to all media. All channels will come.
India first arrested him, Raghav Reddy. He is approved. After then, Kavita and Kejriwal arrested. He is approved.
He is the approver.
Yes.
Right.
So, Jagan Mohan Reddy is not accepted this guy.
Your son Raghav is out campaigning?
Campaigning in a big way. Actually, he is supposed to contest and everything. This time, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu and Prashant Kishore also requested me. So this time, senior member are not there in this.
But why did Jagan not repeat you from the seat? What was
That
the
you
issue?
have to ask him only.
No, but then he may say it was the liquor scam. You
No,
tell me I shouldn't ask that question, but he may bring that up as
He
an
will
issue.
not. He is not going to see. Today, after speaking to you, then you will make him also to speak only. That's all.
No, I'm not making you skip.
See, so far nothing only. That's
Okay.
all. This is not at all an issue.
But you're
Yeah.
confident of victory in this?
1000%.
Confident of victory?
1000%.
So, Magunta Reddy there, clearly not very comfortable taking questions on the liquor scam. But those questions will remain in the public domain. That how is it that somebody who's implicated in the Delhi liquor corruption scandal, he and his son, are free to campaign as candidate of the ruling coalition? Is it because they've, in their statements, implicated a rival of the BJP, Arvind Kejriwal, and sent him to jail? All of this only further feeding the narrative of the BJP washing machine.
आज पूरी भारतीय जनता पार्टी हम सब भाई बहन मिलकर के हम काम कर रहे हैं माननीय मोदी जी के केसेस में और आज जहाँ जहाँ जाते हैं हमें बहुत लोगों का आशीर्वाद प्यार समर्थन मिल रहा है वो इसलिए मिल रहा है कि लोगों का एक विश्वास है कि माननीय मोदी जी ने पिछले 10 वर्षों के अंदर बहुत से ऐतिहासिक कदम उठाए जैसे घर का साथ होता
From Andhra Pradesh to Haryana, on one hand the BJP claims to be against corruption, but on the other hand it's not just its allies, even its own leaders like Naveen Jindal, former Congress leader, crossed over to the BJP, is now campaigning from the Kurukshetra seat in Haryana as the party's candidate here, but who faces a number of charges in the coal scam, corruption charges, which raises serious questions about the BJP's claim that the action against its political rivals is genuine and not vendetta.
Naveen Jindal's overnight transformation from die-hard congressman to a BJP candidate. At the rally, the Prime Minister, though physically absent, looms large. Not long ago, the coal scam in which Jindal is an accused, described by the Prime Minister as a major scandal.
सीएजी ने कहा था 1,74,000 करोड़ रुपया अकेले कोयले में घोटाला हुआ है.
The accusation that under the UPA, lakhs of crores worth of coal blocks were allotted in violation of the rules in exchange for bribes. The cases against Jindal by the CBI and the ED are still ongoing. Is that why Jindal, a two-time Congress MP from Haryana, abruptly joined the BJP just days before elections, like scores of opposition politicians who face corruption charges?
We welcome everybody. Everybody. Even people who have 9 CBI cases against them. Party is welcoming everybody.
We get to ask Jindal in an interview at his expansive farmhouse in Kurukshetra.
Okay, but what do you make of what the opposition, your former colleagues said, that the real reason why you crossed was this business of quote-unquote washing machine because of these charges and the coal scam that you have against you?
So let me tell you that it's been now more than 10 years that this case has been going on. Okay, since this case is in the court. Okay, so I do not want to talk anything about this case.
No, not
so
about the
first,
case, but the reason for your shifting.
No, this is no
because
reason.
of that.
So I could have done it much earlier. Why would I wait 10 years? It's been 10 years. and 10 years I was with the Congress. If the government could have whatever they could have done against me, they did it. They could not, because there is a judiciary, and then I've had no role to play in it. So it's just a case. Anything can be filed against you also.
But
and
it is a
be,
case, though. It is a
it's
case.
just a case.
It's a CBI case. It's an ED case.
Doesn't matter. So what? So many cases that the CBI files or ED files, the court ultimately throws them out.
No, but the argument here is that once you come into the BJP, you get some kind of immunity.
No.
These cases automatically go slow.
But so do you? I mean,
or the investigating agencies
so
withdraw the case.
So now the case is not under investigating agencies. The case is with the court. The court is sitting over it. Okay, so it is going through the judicial process.
Right.
So now the agencies of the government can't do nothing about it.
No, but surely, Mr. Jindal, the fact that the BJP, from saying that corruption is a big problem in this country, Congress is the fountainhead of corruption, saying that the coal scam was a huge scandal in this country. The Prime Minister himself says it.
Okay, this is something they said 10 years back.
But then they allow
And
the
that time
entry of a leader like you. Isn't there then some grounds for people to question such actions and say, isn't this deeply hypocritical?
Sure, people can question each and everything. People can question whatever they want to question.
We did question people, or at least BJP supporters at the rally. This is how it went. नवीन जिंदल कांग्रेस से आ गए हैं भाजपा में, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
अच्छा लग रहा है। पहले भी अच्छा, आदमी तो अच्छा था, पहले भी है।
अच्छा था। आपको भी अच्छा लग रहा है?
बढ़िया, जीतेगा 2.5-3 लाख से।
जीत जाएगा? आप भी कह रहे हैं जीत जाएगा?
हाँ जी, जीत जाएगा जी।
बट जो उनके अगेंस्ट इतने आरोप हैं, कोयला घोटाले में, भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप हैं, भाजपा कहती है हम भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ हैं, तो ये तो आ गए।
ऐसा केस तो किसी का भी कर दे। केस तो किसी का भी हो सका, जब थोड़ी उसका रिजल्ट नहीं आंदा, सजा नहीं होती, तब थोड़ी केस नहीं माना जाता। दोषी नहीं हो सकता।
बट केस तो फिर कोई भी सबके अगेंस्ट केस है ना, केजरीवाल के अगेंस्ट भी केस है।
हमारे यहाँ अम्बाले के थे मंत्री, केस था और बैठे बैठे जेल में एमएलए बने थे।
बट भाजपा तो खुद कहती थी कि कोयला घोटाला बहुत बड़ा घोटाला है।
राज में किसके कांग्रेस सरकार में तो है ना घोटाले हैं।
हाँ, तो ये उन्हीं के, बट उन्हीं के तो आरोपी हैं।
घोटाले नहीं है ना,
बट वो उसी के आरोपी भाजपा में आ गए हैं।
भाजपा मत आएंगे तो काम भाजपा के हिसाब से करेंगे, जो पीछे होया उसे थूक दो, सब ना बढ़िया करेगा, बढ़िया आदमी जल्द लग गया, हम तो नहीं कहा है।
नवीन जिंदल आ गए हैं, कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत बढ़िया है। निकल गए जी।
अच्छा,
सीट क्लियर है जी।
सीट क्लियर है?
क्लियर गई,
जीत गए आप लोग। तो नवीन जिंदल मतलब उनके खिलाफ जैसे कोयला घोटाले में भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप हैं, भाजपा तो कहती है हम भ्रष्टाचार के अगेंस्ट हैं, तो उससे आपको दिक्कत नहीं है?
पैसे ना जो बुजुर्ग थे, जो वगैरह कहते थे चोरी करते हैं और करते हैं, जब आके अच्छे काम किए, उनको समझाने वाला आ गया, वो उससे बहुत बढ़िया काम करेंगे।
बट जो आरोप है उनका क्या होता है?
आरोप का कोई सबूत होगा, सारा राजनीति में तो सारा कुछ ऐसे ही होता है, सब ऐसे ही होता है। आज केजरीवाल
नहीं, कोई असूल भी तो होते हैं।
नहीं, आज केजरीवाल ने हाई कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट सारी जगह वो कर दिया, वो कहता है मैं फिर ईमानदार हूँ। सारे
तो वही तो
कानून में तो विश्वास होता होगा कहीं ना कहीं।
तो वही तो कह रहा हूँ, केजरीवाल तो जेल में है और ये बाहर है।
कौन?
नवीन जिंदल।
इसके ऊपर तो मेरी बात सुनो, इसके ऊपर ट्रायल कर रहा कहीं, ये बताओ मुझे।
केजरीवाल के ऊपर भी ट्रायल नहीं चल रहा है।
कौन कहता नहीं चल रहा?
केजरीवाल के अगेंस्ट तो ट्रायल स्टार्ट ही नहीं हुआ है, वो ऑलरेडी जेल में है।
नहीं, ट्रायल हुआ, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्या कहा? सुप्रीम कोर्ट, इस देश का सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट, इस वर्ग का तो आदमी नहीं मिल रहा यार। 10 साल पहले भी मारा पूरे हिंदू।
नहीं, बट आरोप तो इनके खिलाफ भी है।
आरोप तो मैं आपके खिलाफ भी लगा सकता हूँ, आरोप पे कोई रोड़ा नहीं होता, आरोप आपके खिलाफ भी लगा। हीरा
जगह सर आ गया, जगह सर। अरे भाई
हीरा
जगह सर, हाँ कोयले में हीरा था ना, वो आ गया, अपनी जगह पे आ गया।
कोयले में हीरा जगह पे आ गया,
बिल्कुल अपनी जगह पे आ गया। गरीब देश की सेवा में लगेगा, देश की सेवा में एक।
आप कह रहे हैं ये कोयले घोटाले में इनके अगेंस्ट आरोप है, आप ये कोयले का हीरा है?
ऐसा है जी भाई साहब, वो जगह ही ऐसी थी, जहाँ था ना पहले, वो जगह ही घोटाले की थी।
This election season, your right to choose puts you at the heart of it again.
We'd like to be your eyes and ears.
Choose the journalism and media that serves democracy
and due.
Simply head on to newslaundry.com/subscription and pick up the TNM NL joint subscription of your choice today.